Bhí Cluiche Ceannais Corr na hÉireann ar siúl in Abbottstown an deireadh seachtaine Secata. Bhí 3 Cluiche Ceannais ar siúl I Rochan Lea. Bhí deisiagáin labhairt le uachtarán tofa cumann Luachlas Gael agus uachtarán cumann Corr na hÉireann.
sé cluiche Corr cluiche dimríonn le 9 duine ar an foireann agus tá na foireann fuir maná agus mascathe agus tá sé ag imirt ag daoine óga agus éasta le bata agus líoróid agus tá Buaicphointí sa park agus búlan an imreoir an líoróid is fada as bhfuil sé ábailte. Sin tuairiscíonn sé ag rith timpeall ar an park agus nuair a bhricann sé an áit nuair a bhúil sé an líoróid tá scór aige. Tá sé ann ó 18 chuig daoine ó hÉireann trasna an Atlantic go America thuig agus thug siad Rounders low agus tosaigh na daoine in North America ag imirt baseball ó.
One of the great things about Rounders is it's a non-contact sport. There's no contact whatsoever. The most skillful element of the game, I'd say, was hitting and placing the ball. You must remember that it's round again round, and for somebody to hit a ball, maybe even a juvenile or not, and drive it quite a distance, some are able to drive up to 70, 80 metres, no problem. It's a great skill to place the ball in different parts of the field.
Substitutions to be made, they'll be making them, okay?
Playing here today from Connacht is Buaicphointí.
Oh, yeah. It can be any of us, okay? Simple as that.
And we have the Heath from Laois. We have Lynn Barntown from Wexford, who are the reigning champions of the ladies, and they're playing Culcuran from Carlow. And in the last game we have Limekiln from Dublin and the Heath from Laois, and they are also the reigning senior men's champions. The facilities are fantastic. This is our second year here. So as you can see with our facilities, it makes an awful difference. So it's like playing on Corr Park. I'm involved with Rounders 34 years now. I'm glad that the game has moved along now. It's in a great position now. We have our own constitution now this year. That was it for the first time ever. And we're a fully fledged part of the GAA, and Corr Park has been great to us.
This year was the first year that Rounders was part of the FEILA programme within the country, and it went down very well, and I think that's where the game will grow from having it at that level at underage and in the schools, and I think from that I think Rounders will flourish, and I think if we're back here in 3 or 4 years time we will actually see that Rounders will have grown, because I think the people heading up and driving Rounders on at the moment are very passionate, they're very committed, they're organised, and I think they will actually deliver huge progress and development in the actual sport.
Well done,